Hi everyone, Len Johnson from LJE Products. Got an exciting new product to announce for this coming season. The #1 selling helmet in snowmobiling is the Mission, the CKX Mission. I've had personally one of these for 6 years. I bought the first edition when it first came out, and now here I have the Patriot edition. Well, guess what we did? We have an LED light module that's built right into the helmet now. We're going to be selling it as a kit. And as you see, it has its own side vent panel that has molded into it the output cord to the heated shield and the input jack, which goes to power everything up. Exciting new product, should be available by mid-October. Look for it on ljeproducts.com. We'll see you on the trails.